My name is Samantha, and my African name is Lunga, and I guide tours with Colette. When I first came in, I was only 25 years old. I think I've done almost 900 trips taking you out on safari. I don't even look at it as a job, it's my passion. So we'll take you into the wilderness and get to connect with nature, connect with our people, learning about our culture. I want to introduce you on what Africa is really about. And that's what I've done most of my life. I've literally spoken to travelers that they've been wanting to come for 30 years, and you're finally here. And when you see your first impala, I see your faces. It's like a picture perfect painting. The beauty, reminding yourself, wow, I'm really here in Africa. That's the experience I get every time I go on safari.